Greetings everyone, I'm Iris from RONSCO Weekly. If you desire to remain informed about the latest developments in the Chinese steel market and industrial conditions, kindly click the subscribe and like buttons right here to stay updated. Join now to keep yourself updated and avoid missing out on anything important. During the current week, steel prices in China experienced some fluctuations due to the anticipation of more vigorous economic stimulation. Both domestic and export prices increased. What led to this situation? According to Bloomberg's report last Friday, the Chinese government is exploring a package of stimulus measures for the real estate sector. Consequently, some large cities in China have reduced down payments and loosened purchasing restrictions for first-time buyers, indirectly confirming the report. Moreover, the latest trade data shows that both China's import and export value shrank beyond expectations in May, leading to a significant narrowing of the trade surplus, which supports the market anticipation for powerful and effective policies to stabilize the economy. In addition, all 6 major state-owned banks in China have lower deposit rates, indicating an imminent reduction in lending rates and more liquidity support for economic recovery. Considering the supply and demand factors, we can examine the current situation. MySteel reports that China's steel production dropped by 3.4 thousand tons, while the apparent demand rose by almost 3,000 tons, leading to a decrease of over 600,000 tons in the total steel inventory. Despite the restrained demand, the inventory level continues to decline and is noticeably lower compared to the same time in the past years. These drops in inventory has played a significant role in the recent surge of steel prices. In summary, we think that the primary factor behind the recent market recovery is the anticipation of macro policy stimulation. Additionally, the pressure on steel mills has eased due to the relatively low inventory levels, which is a positive development for the short-term market. As for demand, it appears that market participants have already accounted for the off-season effect, indicating that the current weak demand is unlikely to decline further. Consequently, our forecast is that Chinese steel prices will continue to rise in the following week. Are you of the opinion that there will be additional increase in Chinese steel prices? We will continue to observe the market and provide you with the most up-to-date news and analysis. Thank you for tuning into our channel. If you find our video informative, please consider subscribing, giving it a thumbs up, and leaving your comments below. We are anticipating speaking with you again in the upcoming week.